It was a rescue over the weekend on Mount Arrowsmith that utilized a new piece of equipment, one that will drastically change response times going forward for Arrowsmith search and rescue.
We initially responded with a ground crew.
In order to get to the patient, it was a 2.5-kilometer hike through challenging terrain, with all the rescue gear in tow.
Stretchers and stretcher wheels, all the medical equipment.
The injured woman was extracted by helicopter, although all that gear came back using a heavy lift cargo drone. The first time that has been done before by a SAR team in this province.
Now we'll be able to start using this to insert gear. It's going to drastically reduce the time at which it takes searchers and rescuers to get into a scene.
The drone is called the DJI Flycart 30. Arrowsmith SAR is currently the only team in BC that is using the drone, which was purchased in January.
Max flight distance on the Flycart 30 with 2 batteries is 28 kilometers.
Wayne Baker is a retired paramedic and fire chief in Texas. Now he is with the drone company DJI. He says the Flycart 30 can carry a payload of 30 kilograms, up to 16 kilometers on a single charge. Although the technology is still in its infancy, he imagines one day drones being used not only to transport equipment, but patients as well.
Just transport a patient from, say, the base of a mountainside out to an ambulance.
DJI already produces a 100 version of its Flycart, capable of carrying 150 kilograms, up to 12 kilometers.
Absolute game changer. This is going to change the way that we operate ground rescues from now on.
Arrowsmith SAR says during their next rescue, they expect to fly the rescue gear in, with members running the trails.
I expect this to increase our speed to a rescue site by 2 to 3 times. I think it's going to make a huge difference in our capability for that.
Arrowsmith SAR has been leading the charge in utilizing drones in search and rescue efforts on Vancouver Island, including using thermal imaging technology. This is another tool in its toolbox that is sure to save lives through increased response times. Brendan Strain, CTV News, Victoria.